We're talking with Andrew Schwert of Premium Mortgage, and he's one of the guys who works with the Nowak real estate team. Good morning, Andrew.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing great. And I understand you wanted to cover the topic of bridge loans. Now, when it comes to buying a home, getting financing and all that, I know nothing about it. What exactly is a bridge loan?
A lot of times when people own a current home, a lot of their money is tied up in that home. And if they're looking to go purchase a new home, so they want to move out of their current residence, go purchase a new home, but they don't have the money in the bank account for the new down payment and closing costs because it's all tied up in their current home. What we could do as a lender is we can actually forward some of the equity they have in their home or bridge them that equity they have in their home to use for the down payment and closing costs on the new home.
I've always wondered about that because my wife and I have occasionally talked about buying another home, and I thought, well, where are we going to get the money or do we sell our home first and we'll be homeless until we find a new home?
Right. And, this market is so competitive. We try and avoid what's called going in contingently to a new offer, meaning, like you just said, you have to sell your home, get that money, and then go purchase the new home. This allows the buyer to go purchase a new home non-contingently where they don't need to sell the current home.
So we don't have to be homeless, basically, before we find a new home.
Correct. You do not have to be homeless.
Now, is that something that most people are able to do?
Yeah, so not everybody. It's a unique circumstance. You do have to carry your current mortgage payment, an interest-only bridge loan payment, and whatever the new mortgage payment would be. I would say 50-50 shot. There is a good majority of people out there that do qualify for it.
Okay. So basically there is an option for us. I mean, obviously we would want to save as much money as we can if we're going to make a big change like buying a home. But if we don't have enough necessarily to put down a giganto chunk on a new home before selling our old home, then there is a way to do that.
Yes, and the bridge loan is a fantastic option to do that.
Very good. And I know that's what you guys over at Premium Mortgage do. Now, I know we can also contact you through the Don Nowak real estate team, but what's the direct number if we want to call, if anybody listening wants more information on getting a bridge loan or just kind of figuring out how it works?
My cell phone directly is 716-430-8360.
Wow, 716. You're old school, Andrew.
Yeah, so grew up in Buffalo, moved out to Rochester, just had a little bit too much pride to change that 716.
Yeah, well, very good. Well, it's Andrew Schwert from Premium Mortgage on behalf of the Don Nowak team. Thanks, Andrew. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you guys.